If taking control of your health is something that you want to do for you and or your family, you may have to check out your lifestyle. We know that we are designed to move and breathe and enjoy life at its fullest. And that's why we get adjusted on a regular basis. We take care of our spines. We get massages on a regular basis. And it's also pretty important what you put in your body, right? We absolutely have to have organic, nutrient-dense foods, none of that genetically modified stuff.
Yeah, because our body's like a Ferrari, right? Like if we were to put bad gas in a Ferrari, it's not going to run properly.
Yeah.
Okay, so in our body, if we put bad fuel in our body, it's not going to work properly.
Yeah, there's other things like what about what you put on your body or the cleaning products that you use in your home. We know all of these things can contribute to the toxic load in our body, can cause inflammation, disease, and overall loss of happiness. So how hard was it to change your lifestyle?
Oh, well, I feel like I've really come a long way. I mean, I went from basically, I worked out a lot, so I looked very healthy. I looked like I was in great shape, but, after I worked out, I'd go to Waffle House or Burger King or McDonald's, and I'd put the bad fuel in. I feel like I was kind of young, so I could continue to do that. But as I got into my 30s, I can't keep doing that. So literally, I've completely turned 180 degrees around. I eat all organic. I literally watch what I put on my body, because whatever you put on your skin, you absorb and it becomes a part of you. So right now, like, I literally make my own hair gel out of beeswax and oil and coconut oil and different other products too. So, if I can do it, you guys can do it too. Completely make a 180 and your body's gonna function better. You're gonna feel better. It's just gonna be worth it.
So sometimes it's really overwhelming and frustrating for someone when they're first thinking about or learning about these toxins and what to put in your body, on your body, things like that. But at the end of the day, do you use laundry detergent? Yes or no? Probably. Okay. And so I hope so. So it's all about which laundry detergent, and do you use hair gel? Maybe it's all about which hair gel. And so we love giving people the information of maybe simple switches that you can make to change your lifestyle to absolutely promote the most potential of yours and your family's life, the most happiness, and overall, it's not that bad. It's pretty awesome.